So today we are going to solve problem asked by the Uber. Given an array of integer, return a new array such that each element at index I of new array is the product of all number in the original array except the one at I. For example, if our input was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the expected output would be 120, 60, 40, 30, 24. If our input was 3, 2, 1, the expected output would be 2, 3, 6. Let's understand it. Let's just say we are creating a list, input list A with value 3, 2, 1, and we have to create a new list with this value. So we are creating an empty list. What actually we have to do is we have to just do multiplication. So B of 0 should be the multiplication of A of 1 into A of 2. Why we are skipping A of 0? Because it is clearly mentioned in the question that product of all number in the original array except the one at I. So A of 1 is 2 into A of 2 is 1. So 2 into 1, 2. Similarly, B of 1 should be the multiplication of A of 0, A of 2, skipping the A of 1. So A of 0 into A of 2. A of 0 is 3 and A of 2 is 1. 3 into 1, 3. And B of 2 should be the multiplication of A of 0 and A of 1. A of 0 is 3 and A of 1 is 2. So 3 into 2 is 6. So our new list B will contain element B of 0 we are getting 2, B of 1 is 3 and B of 2 is 6. This is what we have to obtain. Let's solve this problem using Python. This is the Python code for the problem. At line number 1, we are creating a list A with value 1, 2 and 3, and line number 2, we are creating a list B which will contain our output. So we are using for loop to iterate list A. Initially, I value will be 1 because it is the first element of A, and result inside this for loop we are creating another variable result with value 1 and temporary list with same value of our input list which is A, and the temporary value of temporary list is 1, 2, 3. And line number 6, at line number 6 we are removing the I value is 1, so we are removing 1 from temp list. So after removing a temp list will contain only 2 and 3. We have to do multiplication of 2 and 3. So for multiplication we are using another for loop at line number 7. So for j in temp, so initial value of j is 2, and inside the for loop we are doing multiplication. So result equal to result into j. Result is value 1. 1 into 2, which is 2. Now control will go to another line number 7. Now j value become 3, and again inside the for loop it will do multiplication. Our now result value is 2 and j value is 3. So 2 into 3 is 6. Now at line number 9 we are appending, it will append the result to the list B. So our list will become this, like this. Now again control will go to line number 3. It will check any other element in the A. Yes, it is there. So our I will become 2, and again result value will become 1 and at this time again we are creating temp list with value 1 2 3, and at this time we are removing value 2 from the list. So now after removing, our list become our temp list will contain only 1 and 3 element. Now for multiplication, again we are entering into for loop. So initial value of j will be 1, and let me clear this. Okay, so now result value is 1, so result 1 into j value is 1, so 1 into 1 1. Now again one element is left in j, so j value will become 3, and inside for loop 1 into 3 will be 3. Now there is no element left in temp temp list, so control will come out of for loop, and line number 9 it will append the value 3 in list b. So our list b will become 6 comma 3. Let me clear this to understand better. Okay, now control will go to again line number 3. It will check any other element in a, so element is there with value 3 now, so our I value will become 3, result again 1, and temp again 1 2 3. At this time we are removing 3 from the temp list. So after removing the 3 from the temp list, our temp list will contain 1 and 2. For multiplication, again we are entering into for loop. Now j value will become 1, and result will become 1 into 1, which is 1. Now 2 is left, so in second iteration j value will become 2, and result will be 1 into 2, which is 2. Now it will check any other list in temp. No, we have completed all the list in temp we have completed all element with in temp list, so control will come at line number 9. It will append value 2 to the list b, so our list b will become 6 comma 3 comma 2. This is all we have to do. I hope you understand how the code is executing. Let's run the code and see whether it works or not. So this is my Python editor, and this is the code. I am executing it. As you can see, 632 we are getting the output. This is it for today.